What's the meaning of aimlessly? Aimlessly. 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 The term aimlessly refers to a lack of clear purpose or direction in one's actions or movements. When someone behaves aimlessly, they may appear to be wandering or meandering without any particular destination or goal in mind. This can result in a sense of confusion or uncertainty about what they are doing or where they are headed. Aimless behavior may also lead to a feeling of dissatisfaction or unfulfillment, as it can be difficult to find meaning or value in activities or pursuits that lack a clear objective or purpose.